Good afternoon, this is Raymond with Raymac Incorporated. Today is Monday, April 13, 2015. I'm here at 3032 Northeast 62nd Avenue in Portland conducting a standard sewer scope inspection. Access is granted through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout in the basement. I have reached the horizontal of the sanitary sewer. I'm going to reset the foot counter, begin the inspection, checking serviceability of the sanitary sewer between the house and the main. I do have water running from the downstairs kitchen sink. Test for any cooling. I'm going to push out, begin the inspection. Okay, right away here at 4 feet, we transition from 4-inch cast iron to what appears to be 6-inch concrete. Okay, here at 10 feet we have root penetration. Look in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. You can see the roots coming in through the joints of the pipe. And it looks like we may also have roots coming in through the top. See some sizable holes in that pipe as well. We are in an area of cooling here. Okay, here at 21 feet we have another root intrusion. And we have roots extending down to 23. Quite a bit of heavy damage to the sewer. I'm going to go get Byron, the buyer's agent. Okay, so I'm only 24 feet out from the entry point here. Let's back it all the way up. So it's going to transition from cast iron to 6-inch concrete at 4 feet. So right here. A large hole in the sewer here with some root intrusion, right at 4.
Where's that? You're seeing, how does that look? I'm just trying to identify.
So this is going to be the bottom of the pipe. Yeah. My camera doesn't auto level.
Yeah, right.
So this all right here, okay. massive root intrusion.
Okay.
With a root intrusion that large, we're actually going to have a hole in the sewer. And I'll be writing up the summary report for you if you like.
Yep. Okay.
So we also drop into some pooling.
Yeah.
That extends out to 10 feet, almost 10.
Okay.
Drop into some more pooling at 11. Now it's going to extend out to about 21. Where we have another large root intrusion and a lot of built-up paper in the line, just because it's not flushing. I'm seeing actual roots. Here's your actual roots right here. See them right there on the left side?
Oh, okay, got a big thing there, yeah. That's pretty big.
basically right now, the sewer's doing this number.
Yeah.
It should be going downhill working with gravity. It's going to be pretty nasty right there.
Yeah, so there's something almost stopping it there.
Yeah, the sewer's not flushing itself out. It's holding in a lot of material. We have heavy exposed aggregate, tons of pooling. As you can see, not a lot of water is making it to this point because of all that pooling.
So, well, it's draining off probably into the ground.
It's draining off into the ground. We also have heavy exposed aggregate in the concrete pipe, so the concrete's
getting in.
Well, the concrete's being sloughed away just by normal use.
Yeah.
Water rushing over that concrete will wear that mortar away and leave the aggregate behind.
Okay, yeah. So it's worn down from there.
The sewer's at the end of its life. You can see we have paper trapped in the sewer itself.
Really nice there.
Yeah. we're heading downhill pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty steep right there.
So given the age of the sewer, we have an offset joint right here at 50. The sewer's looking like it's going to need to be replaced. Yep. Unfortunately, with the pooling that we have, we can't use the trenchless pipe bursting technology. We have to excavate the entire thing.
Because it's not straight. You don't know where you're at.
Correct. I'm not going to. If we can install the new pipe through the existing pipe, but because it has negative grade in some areas, all we would do is successfully install those same bellies in the new pipe. So in order to get proper grade and fall, we do have to excavate.
Okay. So the bursting just doesn't do it.
Correct.
Grade. Okay.
Here at 54, we have a crack in the sewer. And that's the main right there. So right at the Y head, that's the connection to the sanitary sewer main. That's cracked as well, but that's going to be the city's responsibility. So what I'm going to do now is just start locates, pull the camera back, and see what route the sewer is taking, and then get pictures of my paint locates, and in 24 to 48 hours I'll be able to provide you with an estimate as to how much it's going to cost to replace the sewer.
Great.
You can then use that for your negotiations.
Yeah, okay.
So, unfortunately, no way around it. It does need a new sewer.
Yeah.
But in no ways would I consider it a deal killer. If I was purchasing a house, I would still move forward, of course, negotiating for the cost of the sewer, but it's not super horrible, is what I'm trying to say.
I just did one of these not long ago.
Oh, so you know them.
Yeah. And this is why we do these.
Exactly. You know, cost of a sewer scope is excellent peace of mind.
Oh, yeah.
So, after you, gentlemen, I'm just going to start my locates. No, you can start your flood test, that's fine.
Okay, cool. So did you get the radar reading yet?
I didn't do it down there, I can do that.
You have to walk them.
Yeah, I thought it was probably not worth, we can wait a few more minutes to get the radar reading for the over there.
You look around the basement there a little bit.
I located here at the main, we have an approximate depth of 12 feet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just draw back here. Get another depth reading.
Just about 8 months. Obviously, the potential for sewage back up into the house is quite high. We don't have the most efficient flow through that sewer, John.
massive damage to the sewer in the form of multiple areas of pooling, multiple areas of root intrusion, offset joints, and a crack at the Y head. System does not pass inspection. Recommend a full sewer replacement via excavation. Ramac Incorporated follow up with an estimate for the sanitary sewer repairs in a timely fashion. This concludes sanitary sewer inspection for 3032 Northeast 62nd Avenue in Portland at this time. Thank you.